Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vasu Deshpande from Easylib Software Private Limited. Today is Monday, March 10th. Now the time is about 4:10 p.m. So I thought I'll speak to you and give a few updates on the Easylib software. Let me adjust this little bit. Oh, right. Okay, so this is much better, I guess. So, uh, okay, so the today's update is going to be on the updates that are from Easylib software. As you know, Easylib software, right? So we have been writing software for the Education Institute for last 20 years. So I'm very thankful to you. Nearly 700 customers use our software. So today many universities, medical colleges, dental, pharmacy, physiotherapy, nursing, and many other health science colleges, engineering colleges, polytechnics, many degree colleges, special libraries, all of them use Easylib software. So our flagship product, the latest product for the libraries is Easylib 6.4a cloud version. Now we have come up with Easylib 8.4a cloud version. Okay, so the Easylib 6.4a cloud version is now being used at nearly 200 colleges. So the beauty of that is that you would be able to use the software without any local servers at your end. You can just use it on any desktop, Linux, Windows, or Apple, and you can open it on the mobile devices also. So you are truly having your library accessible from anywhere. So that is the beauty of it. And the pricing is also very reasonable. It costs less than 100 rupees per student per year. So based on the number of staff, it's going to be about 36,000 plus GST for the first staff, and then subsequently it's about 18 or 20,000 rupees. And then we have got more than 4 or 5 login access the library staff. You get, of course, a lot of discounts also. So I'm very thankful to all the librarian community that has been using Easylib, and probably Easylib is the most advanced software available anywhere actually. So as of now, it's got so many modules over here. So Easylib supports the physical library management, the digital library management, the user in-out management, the printing of the ID cards, barcodes, and many, many things that are not part of the library, but not part of the library software as a whole, but required by the library. For example, the inventory management, the service desk, student relationship management, and so on. So we have added all of these to the Easylib 8.4a cloud version. Okay, now not stopping there, now we have come up with Easy One. That is one system for your entire organization. Easy One Campus ERP software that helps in managing the end-to-end operations of your campus. Starts with pre-admission, admissions, student information, staff information. Then there is assignments. Then there is a quiz. There is a examinations, a timetable, attendance, and so on. It doesn't stop there. Goes all the way till the placement and alumni management. So both of these softwares are accessible very easily just on a simple URL. Let me try to share this screen and then see. So let me share this. To open Easy One software or Easylib software, so you just go to your URL that has been given for you, and this is how it looks. It's completely configurable. You can configure it to look like a library, to look like a campus ERP software, or just only the service desk, sales desk, and so on. So let me go to the latest brochures of this software to show you what all it contains. Easy One software, that's for the entire campus ERP, right? It's got so many modules here. Just the list of the modules is about 20. So I'll just go to, briefly give an overview of what is this software and a little bit introduction of it. The first one thing, it's a full grown software. It's not just a chotu small thing. Complete software over here, end to end software. Okay, unwavering support. So we have a dedicated support team which is providing you the support to use the software 24 by 7. Yes. So, the campus ERP software, yes, it does require 24 by 7 access, and it does provide integrated software. Multiple items you can integrate it with this, and the library and the campus ERP work together as one unit. Okay. So, many other models. Then you have got the API, which will help you talk to the other systems beyond the library, beyond the campus ERP, like RFID or the government systems. As long as they have the APIs following the standard, you can seamlessly connect Easy One software or EasyLib software to those systems. Okay, so that is the API. So it starts with the admissions, as you see here. So this itself is so exhaustive. The list of the features is so exhaustive. So those of you who need and don't have this, so I suggest you can just simply go to our website and then open this, or otherwise you just drop in the chat over here, and then we'll reply that with the brochures. So our website is very simple, easylib.net. You go. So this is the website that opens for you the entire library. This is the our software over here. So when you go over here, you go to the product section. So this one tells about the library software, and the library software brochure is available over here. You can see the Easylib 8.4a brochure you are seeing here. Okay, where did I go? Oh, okay, I went back to this. Okay, all right. So this is the second slide, third slide. You can of course download and see. Okay, and now you want to see the campus ERP software. Again, go here to the campus ERP software. That's got its brochures over here. You just click on it. You will see the complete brochure of the. This is a pretty big one. It's like campus ERP brochure itself is 24 pages. You can imagine how much research has gone in developing the software. Starts with the admissions. These are the screens that are in the admissions. Let me zoom out and then see this. So this is the admissions over here, right? So the ready-made screen admissions management is over here. So a lot of graphical report. The entire student master. The beauty is that the master data used by the campus ERP can also be used by the library and vice versa. It's a great combination. So this is the student master data, ready-made fully. The fees management, customized fee management by students, by at the grade section. Then by the course you can set up, by the category you can set up, and you can even customize the fee by per student actually, especially for the students in the management quota. If you'd like to have a specific fee per student, no problem. The software provides all these features. Okay, there's the enrollment as per the new education policy, the old education policy, or the state education policy. So what we have made is we have made it very exhaustive, and it's definitely it's flexible for you to manage the way you want to manage the admission. So the timetable, complete timetable for the week you can set up over here, then replicate the timetable on a the weekly basis, so that only that particular week's timetable will be visible, and which can be used for the substitutions whenever a faculty is on leave. Okay, so the entire attendance depends on this weekly timetable that has been already set. Okay, so then the attendance management closely works with the timetable. You can simply mark the attendance by present, by absent. You can even integrate with the RFID, the thumb reader, and many more. Okay, and of course the manual entry of absent is already available. So the learning management deals with helping you manage what the students are going to learn when they log in. So as soon as the students logs in over here, the software helps them clearly shows, okay, this week you are supposed to study this, right? And they click on it, they'll see the list of all the items that they are supposed to study. So a lot of research has gone into developing this features. There is ID card design software. You can simply design the ID card the way you want and then print it. Okay, so give me a minute. Okay, all right. So the complete ID card management software is there. You'll be able to manage this, how your ID card looks like. So everything is possible over here. Then there is barcode and barcode design. You can print the barcode the way you want it, in different sizes, different the number of labels per page and so on. You can print for the ID card, the books, the journals, or any random number you can print. So going forward, the visitor management tracks about who is coming to your college, who is coming to your library, how often they are staying. You can even print their ID card and so on. So of course, this is also integrated with the R. Next is digital library. Each of your professor will be able to build a digital library, right? So they can build their digital library. So rather than sending the information to the students to the WhatsApp, email, and so on, they can build a digital library of their own on the Easy One platform and only send the link to the relevant students. And even the access also can be controlled on who has access to what. Okay, Then there is examination management, complete setting up of the examinations, the quarterly, monthly, annually, and so on, assigning the different rooms for the exams, invigilators, a complete process you can manage here all the way till the evaluation. Then there is a placement, you want to track who is getting this, the what company, and what is the package, and so on. And if some of them want to be an entrepreneur, of course, you can manage the relationship with organizations which are helping the entrepreneurs in getting the loans and all. So this one helps you get the thousands of data of the companies directly preloaded into the software, and also the banks who are ready to assist the students in getting the loans to start their company. So this helps you make sure that your students are gelling into the society as the most productive citizens. Okay. So then there is a transport management. You have got a lot of buses. You can pretty much run your entire transport system on these things, including each of the buses can be fitted with this transportation device, right? And the RFID device, each student can be tracked when they got in, when they got out, how often they are getting from one point, getting to another point. All of that can be tracked over here. Then there's asset management. You have got the tables, the chairs, the computers, all of that. What assets you have got in the organization can be managed over here. Events management. You conduct a lot of events because this is one of the things that is required by the NAC, NIRF, and other people. They ask how active is your organization. No problem. You conduct your event. You can even take the registrations over here. So when we conduct easily events from different places, right? At different places, all the registrations are taken in Easylib software itself, right? So this is the event management software. Association management. You can help your students form the different clubs, right? Become the membership. Make the student community a vibrant one using Easy One software. Then there is a publication. So how do you get a better ranking in the NIR? How do you get a better ranking in the NAC, NB, and so on? One of the means is to make sure that your faculty, students are publishing a lot of articles. Yes, Easily helps you promote that particular publications part. Then there's the kiosk management, which is going to help you display what is happening in your organization on a display board over here. Fit those display boards at the gate, at the entrance, at the hostel, and so on. Control what is being displayed from the central office itself. So that is the display management. Dashboard management helps you define the dashboards that manager wants to see, the principal wants to see, the management wants to see, the librarian wants to see, the junior clerk wants to see. You can define the dashboards and then give those people only that dashboard access. So that helps you make sure that define, measure, analyze, improve, control. That's what the Six Sigma states, right? So as per that, you can manage your the organization over here. Then there is a service desk management. Service desk talk about helping your students. Grievance management. Each of your students will be able to open a ticket into the system in Easylib or Easy One system, and the entire grievance can be tracked over here. So this is again the service desk. When you become a customer, you are already using our service desk, and when you want to go with upgrade to the Easy One software, you get this entire grievance management system over here. Then there is the project management software. You come up with a new project, define the activities, define the budgets assigned to the different people, track all the way till the completion as per the PMI methodology. Project management, international PM professional. So one of the toughest exams. So as per that methodology, you will be able to manage your project, making sure that you are going to complete each of the project within the cost, within the quality time frame and the quality. So these three things you'll be able to manage using the Easylib software. And of course, each of the student has a login access to the software. So they got the learning access, learning management access, the library access, the fees access, the professor digital library access to view, and so on. Everything can be accessed. The one that our students are authorized to within the student's login. So let me go before going to this. Let me cover this Easylib portion over here. In the Easylib portion, okay, so both of them talk to each other. So Easylib talks about the library software. Easy One talks about the entire campus administration. In the Easylib software, you have got the web pack. Each of the student will be able to search the books, the journals, the e-books, whatever they have got over here. Everything can be searched. Catalog and accessioning helps you manage all the books repository that you have got, books, non-books, journals. Manage over here. The journals, what journals you have subscribed, when are they supposed to come, which have not been supplied, everything you can manage here. Then there is a circulation deals with issue, return, renewal, check and check out. The RFID integration, SMS integration, email integration is already possible in Easylib software. Membership, of course, we went through in the Easy One software that deals with student master data. Then there is acquisition deals with purchasing of the books from the different vendors. You can even do the quotation comparison and save the money while buying the books. Okay, of course, it can be extended to beyond the books also. Now the ID cards can be printed, the barcodes can be over here, the visitor management of your library can be printed, the digital library you can maintain all your PDF, the journals, whatever digital copy you have in the organization, right? Your library can maintain all this information, give access to the students over here. So you have the barcode scanner, the barcode tags, the RFID tags, RFID reader, RFID gate, book drop kiosk, the library kiosk where the information can be displayed, ID card printer, bar display boards, all of this can be available in Easylib over here. So now how do you migrate to either Easylib or Easy One software? It's very easy. How it is easy? Because the founders of the company as well as the team has worked in the many international projects both in India and many other countries worldwide to helping those organizations to migrate to the newer and newer software. So at EasyLib, once you confirm the order, we go and study how is your data and what need to be done. So we do a complete planning. Then after that, we take your data, do the analysis on your data, take the backup, and run our ETL, extraction, transformation, and load ETL routines to migrate that data from the current system to the new system, getting it all ready. Then in the meantime, we do the complete system setup. So once you configure, once you give us the order, the whole software is going to be deployed on our cloud server, right? And an instance created for you. And then the next step is the data migration starts from the data that you already gave. Smoothly, the data moves from the existing system to the EasyLib system or Easy One system. It should be business as usual, very smooth. So that's our goal. So once the all the data is migrated over here, then there's the training, onboarding, go live, and post migration support. Usually, the entire library management deployment, migration, training completes within 1 week, and the campus ERP deployment, data migration, and training completes within 1 month. So that's our commitment. And you can let me repeat again: the library 1 week, 5 days; the campus ERP 30 days. The entire end-to-end system can be deployed and migrated. This is one of the fastest timelines for migrating a very solid ERP or a library system you can see worldwide. Okay, a few of the questions. So some people ask, okay, is how is the cloud better than maintaining the local systems? Cloud is a winner. The reason, when you have the cloud, you don't have to worry about the local servers. You don't have to invest about 5 lakhs, 10 lakh, 20 lakh rupees on building a data center, putting the air conditioner, putting the network, support system, all those things. None of that is required over here. So everything is maintained by EasyLib. We have our own data center. We maintain it, our Iron Mountain data center. That's where all our servers are kept 24 by 7, which otherwise you would have done at each of their server, one or two servers, right? Maybe 5, 10. So we do it for hundreds of customers. So there is a lot of efficiency over here. So your worry need not be on the server. Instead, you can focus on managing your operations. Second, is the customer data safe? Absolutely. Only you have access to your data, right? Even we, when we want to access to our the data for providing any support, we still have to go to the multiple levels of the security and authentication, right? So you can be sure of your data security. How is the support handled? Very easy. When you log into EasyLib software, there is a button over here within EasyLib software. So that tells, let me see if I have, let me log into the EasyLib software as a library or the college administrator. So now there is a support button here. When you click on the support button, our CRM, that the customer relationship management system, opens over here. So you will be able to open a new ticket or see the history of the tickets that are already created. And when you open a ticket, it gets into the queue, and our team will be able to address that particular ticket over here. So it's very easy. Then the next is, can the Easylib integrate with other systems? Absolutely yes. So we have so many APIs to help you integrate Easylib or Easy One systems, other one. What kind of training is provided? We have multiple levels of training. One is a quick training, 1 or 2 hours to get the operation started. Then there is a detailed training, it will go for a few days, right? Then we have a lot of videos that are already uploaded, nearly 200 videos we have uploaded. Then we do conduct these in-person sessions where you can come over here, attend those live sessions, and then ask all your questions. Everything will be clarified, cleared. So there's a good handholding provided. When you buy a software, the The job does not end the day you buy the software. It in fact begins on the day you buy the software, because that is when the true relationship starts between the company and the organization, right? So that's what we really truly believe in. And I'm very happy to state that we do have some of the customers using our library automation software more than 24 years, right? Exactly 24. We launched our Easylib, the library automation software, in March of 2001. So now it is March of 2025. That means 24 years, many customers are using our software. So total 700 customers using, out of which 200 of them using the latest version of the software. Okay, so the long history of service is available over here. Is the Easily customizable? Yes, we have made sure that we have written the software which goes very deep, and you can accomplish a lot of things by configuration changes rather than the coding changes over here. So that is the beauty of EasyLab, because when we do the configuration changes, when we customize based on the parameters that are set up, there is lot less the programming involved, which otherwise would have been expensive. So we have studied multiple tenders, worldwide tenders, RFPs, to come up with the requirement and return the software as per that. Okay, our company started more than 25 years ago. So, three of us started this. I'm one of the founders, and our commitment to you is three of them. One is solid functional software. The software should be solid. You should feel pride in using the software, right? It should have so much functionality that you require. Second is reliable support. The support must be reliable. Whenever you require, you should be able to open a ticket, or you should be able to the phone and speak to us, and we should help you. That's the reliable support. And the third one you can be assured of is continuous innovation, because what was the thing about 20 years back has dramatically changed. What is there now is becoming outdated in about 10 or 20 years. So the things are moving fast, and then we are making sure that we are standing along with you all along your journey of the growth. So our platform to empower the education institutes with a seamless, integrated, intelligent campus management system. Read one by one. Integrated. Everything is integrated. Correct? Intelligent, artificial intelligence, machine learning. A lot of these are coming over here, right? So this, all of these, then which enhances the security, efficiency, transparency, academic excellence. All of these you should be able to achieve by using EasyLib and EC1 software. Okay, so these are the other products, or the set of all the products that we have got over here. Whole bunch of that. Just scan this QR code, the entire brochure will be open over here. So this is a quick introduction about Easy One and EasyLib software over here. We look forward to having you as a client, and those of you who are already our clients, thank you very much for being our client, and we look forward to years together of service with you. And again, our website name is easylib.net. You can go over here. When you go to easylib.net, this is our website. You have our contact details over here. Simply go to the contact us. You will see the phone number of myself, my all team members. You can reach any of us, and then we are just phone call away to help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. And by the way, this is we just had a Women's Day just 2 days back, right? Happy Women's Day to all the women. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week ahead.